Welcome to our channel. If you want to manage storage on your T-Mobile account and devices, follow these simple steps to optimize space and organize your data. Step 1. Sign into your T-Mobile account by visiting tmobile.com and clicking on Login at the top of the page. Enter your phone number and password. Step 2. Navigate to your account dashboard where you can view your plan details, data usage, and connected devices. Step 3. If you're using T-Mobile Cloud Storage services, access them through the Services or Add-ons section of your account. Step 4. For device storage management, go to your phone's settings. On iPhone, go to Settings, then General, then iPhone Storage. On Android, go to Settings, then Storage. Step 5. Review what's taking up space on your device. Categories typically include apps, photos, videos, messages, and system files. Step 6. Delete unused apps, old messages, and downloaded files that you no longer need to free up device storage. Step 7. Use T-Mobile's cloud backup services if available to store photos, videos, and documents online instead of on your device. Step 8. Check if you have T-Mobile's Digits app, which manages multiple phone lines and can help organize communications across devices. Step 9. Monitor your data usage regularly in your T-Mobile account to ensure you're not exceeding your plan limits and to identify apps consuming excessive data. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.